So if you own a business and are looking for a content marketing strategy that will work in 2021, then stick around because I have it for you in this video. What's up everybody? My name is Ryan Weber and we are going to jump right into it. So I have worked with many different types of businesses: lawyers, gyms, pharmacists, real estate agents, business consultants, all types of industries, and this content marketing strategy has worked across the board for every industry that I have worked with, no matter what. So it's a very simple three-step strategy. It's just really difficult to execute all three steps effectively. So jumping right into point number one. First thing that we need to do is our research. You should know your target audience by now. That is the people that you're trying to reach for your business. This is your ideal client. So based on your ideal client, you need to figure out the specific platform that those people are on. Once you figure out that specific platform, you need to figure out the ins and outs of that platform. Once you figure out the ins and outs of that platform, you can figure out the type of content that that platform works best for. And then based on that platform and the type of content that that platform does well on, that's the type of content that you should be making. Now don't forget, you should also be making the type of content that your audience is actually searching for. You don't want to just go out all willy-nilly and just say, oh, I want to make content for everybody. That's fine, but you need to be doing content that people are actually searching for. So the things that they're typing into the Google box, that's what you should be making your content around, because you need to be answering the questions that your target audience actually has. The more helpful you could be to them by providing answers that they're actually searching for, then eventually when they're searching for higher level answers, they're going to be coming to you to answer those higher level questions, which ultimately is how you make more money in your business. So once you're able to identify where your audience is, what platform they enjoy, what is trending on that platform, how each platform works specifically, what they're actually typing in that platform, how your audience is interacting with that platform, then we can get around to point number two, which is the fun part, and actually creating your content. So with creating your content, I say it's easy because it's blog posting, shooting a video, making a post, whatever it may be. Well, it's a little bit more challenging if you want to do it the right way. You want to educate your audience while also entertaining them. If you can combine education and entertainment, you're going to find that beautiful mix that's going to get everybody happy and want to, just be a part of your community. What I like to do with my marketing strategy is called the help first marketing strategy. I love to provide value. I love to help people first before I ever ask for sales later. And typically I don't even have to ask for sales because I've helped somebody so much. Whenever they need actual true help and they want to pay for whatever service it is that I offer or the businesses that I've worked with offer, I've already provided so much value that they feel like they should have already paid me for whatever services that they're looking for. So to build this community, to build this overall brand, to build this content that actually works, you've got to be consistent and you've got to be entertaining while educating somebody. You've got to be able to hold attention so that they want to come back consistently to see what it is that you actually have to say. Once you've posted that beautiful piece of content that you've made, you've optimized it for whatever that platform is because you've done your research, you've done everything that you're supposed to do, which that might be great. It brings us to point number three, which is amplifying your message. Everything's all fine and good if you just post your content. That could be great. But what I work with mostly is these small businesses that typically don't have a digital presence to start with. And if you don't have an audience to see the content that you just made, how can you really get business from that? In today's day and age, eyeballs equals dollars. And on the internet, views equals dollars. So the more views and the more eyeballs, the more money ultimately that your business can make. So what I say with amplifying your message, the more eyeballs we can get on that message, that beautiful piece of content that we researched and did all that time to make and create, the more eyeballs we can get on it, the more our business is going to thrive. So how do we do that? We can run digital ads. We can put ads and brand awareness ads to get that message out in front of more people. And that's the way that you can kind of amplify that message that you've done all this research to put in front of your target audience. Now, don't forget, you already have an audience that already follows you, that already loves you, that already trusts you. You can send it out through your email list. You can post it on whatever social media platform that you already have some sort of awareness on. Make sure you're already using those things to put your message out there so you can amplify whatever that message is that you've already created. So that's really it. It's a 3-step process, really, really simple. Do your research, create the content that's educational and entertaining, and then spend the dollars to get more eyeballs on that piece of content that you created. Guys, my name is Ryan Weber. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you subscribe so I can give you more tips on marketing and helping you grow your business, and I'll see you guys in the next video.